Hello friends, my name is Satyam. Today we are going to discuss History chapter 4. It will have 30 questions. The first question is how many types of Vedas are there? The answer is 4. Rig Veda, Sama Veda, Yajur Veda and Atharva Vedas are the 4 types of Vedas. The next question is which Veda is the oldest one? The answer is Rig Veda. The oldest Veda is Rig Veda, composed over 3500 years ago. The next question is hymns are also called dash. The answer is sukta or well said. These hymns were composed by sages in praise of various gods and goddesses. The Rig Veda include more than 1,000 hymns. The next question is most of the hymns were composed, taught and learned by dash and a few were composed by dash. The answer is men, women. The next question is the language of the Veda is dash. The answer is Vedic Sanskrit. Vedic Sanskrit is different from the Sanskrit which we learn in school. The next question is the Rig Veda was written on the bark of dash. The answer is birch tree. The birch bark was found in Kashmir. The next question is Sanskrit a part of a family of language known as dash. The answer is Indo-European. This is known as a family because they originally had word in common. Indo-European family also includes Assamese, Gujarati, Hindi, Kashmiri, Sindh and Persian, German, French, English, Greek, Italian and Spanish. The next question is the later Vedic period is known as dash. The answer is Epic Age. The later Vedic age is sometimes called the Epic Age because important literary epics were told at this time in India. The next question is who is called the god of fire? The answer is Agni. The next question is God Indra is known as dash. The answer is a warrior god. The next question is a special drink was made of a plant known as dash. The answer is Soma. In the Vedic hymns, 3 gods are especially important. They are Agni, Indra and Soma. The next question is the Vedic people are generally referred to as the dash. The answer is Aryas. The people who composed the hymns described them as Aryas and their opponents as Dasas. The next question is people at dash ate fruits, cereals and meat. The answer is Inamgaon. Vessels found at Inamgaon site contain food and water for the dead. The next question is in which direction was the head of the dead laid at the burials found at Inamgaon? The answer is north. The next question is Inamgaon, which is situated on the river Ghod, is a tributary of dash. The answer is Bhima. It was occupied between 3600 and 2700 years ago. The next question is stone boulders used to mark burial site are known as dash. The answer is megaliths. While some megalith can be seen on the surface, other megalith burial are often underground. The next question is megalith are found in dash. The answer is the Deccan, South India in the northeast and Kashmir. The practice of erecting megalith began about 3000 years ago. The next question is Vaishya has come from the word dash. The answer is Vish. The next question is what were used for entering a burial places? The answer is portholes. Sometimes megalith contain more than one skeleton, which indicates that people belonging to the same family were buried in the same place. The bodies of those who died later were brought to the grave through the portholes. The next question is which people were used for various kind of work? The answer is slaves. The next question is one of the dialogue in the Rig Veda is between river Vyas and Satluj and dash. The answer is Vishwamitra. Historians point out that this hymn was composed in the area where the river flow. The next question is which were the 2 words used to describe the people or the community as a whole? The answer is Jana or Vish. Several Vish or Jana are mentioned by name like Kurujana, Yadujana and so on. The next question is in which region was the Rig Veda composed? The answer is northwest. The next question is who were the priests in the ancient time? The answer is Brahmins. The next question is where was the first evidence of writing found around 3500 years ago? The answer is China. These writings were on animal bones. These were called oracle bones because they were used to predict the future. The next question is about dash years ago Charaka wrote a book named Charak Samhita. The answer is 2000. The next question is the book Charaka Samhita is referred to dash. The answer is medicine. The next question is generally the dead were buried with distinct spots which are called dash. The answer is black and red ware. The next question is potholes were used for dash. The answer is entering Kist. The next question is the Rig Veda was printed less than dash years ago. The answer is 200. The Vedas we use are written and printed, but in earlier times Rig Veda was recited and heard rather than read. It was written down several centuries after it was first composed. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share this video.